Guys, today we got a first look at the brand new ES6. This is what it looks like, and right now you can place a deposit for 5,000 RMB. So some of the differences between this new ES6 and the first gen ES6, the wind resistance has been improved from 0.27 CD to 0.25. There's the matrix headlights. Of course, there's a very nice design change is they've now have a hidden turn signal on the rear view mirrors, so you can't really see the turn signals unless you activate it. So that's really cool. The dimensions have changed, and here it is what it is. So the car is slightly longer, slightly wider, slightly shorter, but from what I'm told, the car is actually bigger, so that's very nice. Interior room is actually bigger, so that's very nice. So 20-inch wheels come standard. There's the new color, it's called Galaxy Shadow, which is a very, very dark purple color, which is this car right here. So some other design changes, they have the tail over here that hides the rain wipers, and then the interior comfort is actually quite good. We were expecting it to be similar to that of a ET5, but actually you can see the interior design has a lot of like Karun wood. So they did not cheap out on interior, and the seats are also NIO's own self-designed seats. So the EC7 and the ES6, this ES6 will have NIO's own designed seats, whereas some of the previous version of cars had a supplier make the seats for them. So the interior comfort is definitely going to be good because there were lots of complaints in the previous cars. NIO making their own seats will make it a lot better. There's also the queen seat for the passenger side, which is really nice. The motors are going to be the same as the ET5, 150 in the front plus 210 in the back. Combined output 360, and there's no air suspension. It's all spring suspension. So a lot of ES7 buyers are upset. I can understand why, but you got to understand there is a big difference between those two. Of course, the ES6, even though it looks very similar to the ES7, it has weaker motors and no air suspension. So if you want air suspension and stronger motors, you got to go with the ES7. And that is the main difference between the ES6 and the ES7. No prices as of right now. I'm sure they want more flexibility, see how the deposits go, and also see how many new gunslingers are in town, what other cars the other car companies announce, and how they should price accordingly. So they want to give themselves a bit more flexibility. I can understand that. So we'll have to wait on pricing. A lot of NIO owners have said this is like Tawa, Russian dolls. You know, Russian dolls. Basically, one is just bigger, the other one is smaller. And NIO's doing that. Basically, like what Li Auto's doing with the Li Auto L8, L9, L7. Same car, but different dimensions. But this is actually quite different design-wise. And if you actually know more about NIO's products, they actually every new product has a few changes on them that are better than the previous products, even though the previous products might be more expensive, all right? So that's what NIO does. A big plus is definitely going to be the seats. That is something to look forward to. What do you think about the new ES6? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.